Here's the Kia Sorento. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now the bulb is over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now right over there you'll find the access panel. We have to get this out to access the bulbs. For that, get your physical car key from the key fob, or just get your car key if you don't have a key fob, and put it right in there and use that to pry the cover off, and off it comes. Now that's the reverse light bulb. Grab it and twist it left just a little bit to loosen it. That's it. See how little I had to twist? Just a little bit, and now it's loose. Now it should just come right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and it should come out. The bulb size is 921. Again, 921, that's the bulb size number. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the pins in the bulb holder, and push it in to secure it in place. Now when you put the bulb holder back in, this is where you have to be a little bit patient, because you have to make sure that it's sitting in properly. So you have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like that. Yep, just like that. Once it sits in like this, you can twist your right to lock it in place, and done. That's good. Now let's put the panel back on. This side with the slot, it goes in first. The other side, just press it on, and that is looking good.